So once again, you are welcome to this platform, financial education platform, where we share principles and opportunities that can help people to do well financially. Today, we shall be looking at principle H for magneting money. For you to become a money magnet, you need to apply what I call principle H. What does H stand for? H stands for hold on to your money making ideas. Hold on to your money making ideas. Don't joke with any idea that comes into you. Every idea that comes to you from God has the potential to generate money for you. So don't joke with those ideas, okay? Everybody making money today is trading by ideas. Every product you see today is a product of somebody's idea. Every business you see today is a product of somebody's idea. Every investment platform you see today is an idea from somebody. Okay, every idea that comes to you matters so much. So don't joke with any idea that comes to you. That idea to start that business, that idea to go into that investment, that idea to produce that thing, that idea to render that service carries what you need to give you all the money you need in life. All right. So you want to become a money magnet? Apply principle H. Hold on to your money making ideas. Whatever idea you have today, if you don't have the money to implement the idea and turn it into visibility, what you need to do is to put that idea somewhere, write it, capture it, and write it somewhere. All right. Pending when you are able to implement it and work on it and make it to become a reality. Remember, ideas rules the world. Ideas can also be a medium you can use to magnetize money. So you want to become a money magnet? Hold on to that money making idea. All right? You are going to make it. I see you making money from today. I see you magnetizing money from today as you put this principle into application. Once again, this is the finance minister saying, see you on top. God bless you.